So what's up mga homies? So may project tayo ngayon. Itong project natin ngayon is Hyundai Genesis. So ito yung isa sa mga una-una namin mga project nung nagsisimula pa lang kami dito sa Notorious Motorsports. Ang dami namin ginawan Genesis. Tapos nanganak. Nagkaroon ng mga Mustang, nagkaroon ng mga Camaro, Challenger, tapos mga Porsche, mga Ferrari. So dahil dito sa mga Genesis na to, nakita ng mga ibang viewers namin, tsaka mga subscribers namin, na kaya namin gumawa ng mga sports car. So itong Genesis na to, bali yung customer namin, pangalawang Genesis na to. So nagpagawa na naman siya sa amin ulit dahil may nabili siyang bagong Genesis na naman. So ito na siya. So ginawa namin dito, quad tip exhaust. So apat na tip na naka HKS muffler tip, tapos yan, Y-pipe. So kung mapapansin nyo, gumagamit kami ng mga laser flanges. So kung mapapansin nyo, bakit maganda ang welding ng Notorious Motorsports? Bakit nga ba? Kasi syempre, ang gamit namin 304 stainless. Hindi kami gumagamit ng mga 202. Yung mga iba, sinasabi kasi nila 304 yung gamit nila, pero hindi nila magawang ganito. Kasi pag talagang 304, kayang gawin yan. Dahil syempre, maganda nga yung quality ng stainless. So ito na. So ito na yung pinaka Y-pipe niya. So ang ginawa namin, nag-muffler delete kami. So ginawa namin, ito yung exhaust niya. Tapos syempre, gusto ng customer medyo maingay. So nilagyan namin siya na resonator. So ito na yung pinaka-resonator niya. Tapos ito yung pinaka-exhaust. So yung downpipe niya, ang ginawa namin, customize kami ng downpipe. So tinanggal namin yung catalytic niya. So ito yung pinalit namin. Yung 3-inch na downpipe na gawa namin. So ang purpose namin dito is umingay, bumilis, at tumipid sa gasolina. So ngayon, pakinggan na natin kung medyo tunog niya.
Don't wanna talk too much, don't wanna fight. You wanna have a good time, have a good night. She wanna pop champagne, I think I might. I know what you like, I know what you like, look. Don't wanna talk too much, don't wanna fight. Just wanna have a good time, have a good night. She wanna pop champagne, I think I might. Know what you like, I know what you like, look. You know I got it in stock, I'm back on the block, I'm live. You know it's only the top, it's only the premium slides. Stand down, no walls, no guards, no handouts. But if I can't free my hair down, been headed for a while, it's rare now. They don't make it like me no more, they don't make it like me no more. No faking, no CB4, got something you ain't seen before. She like okay, I'm on the way, feel like I'm made for the door. Don't be afraid of the Lord, you know I came for the mud. Don't wanna talk too much, don't wanna fight. Just wanna have a good time, have a good night. She wanna pop champagne, I think I might. I know what you like, I know what you like, look. Don't wanna talk too much, don't wanna fight. Just wanna have a good time. Have a good night. She wanna pop champagne.
Yes, pangalawa na si Genesis ngayon.
Ginawa natin.
Yes, dito ako pa rin diniretso sa Notorious. Walang iba.
So bakit Genesis?
Iba kasi yung ano niya eh, yung niya para sa akin eh. Like, kakaiba yung presence niya sa daan, tsaka yung performance niya para sa akin sa budget niya. Eh, pasok talaga.
Para sa ganyan budget, may sports car.
Oo, may sports car ka na.
Tapos pangalawa, syempre tunog.
Tunog, oo. Lalo pag dinala mo dito, exhaust, pinalitan mo kompleto, ilalim, exhaust full.
So at least nakita niya naman, mukhang happy dito. Happy. Okay, thank you boss.
Thank you.
I think I might. Know what you like, know what you like, look. You know I know.